What if you could make money while you sleep? Imagine a reality where your bank balance grows overnight, not because of magic, but because of smart strategies and shrewd investments. This is the concept of financial freedom, a state where your income isn't tied to the hours you work but to the assets you've built. Now you might be wondering, how does one achieve this? It all boils down to creating passive income streams, income that requires little to no effort to maintain. And in this era of technological advancement, the opportunities to do so are endless. This is where Brett McFall's book, How to Make Money While You Sleep, comes into play. It's a comprehensive guide that shares practical strategies, techniques, and examples to help you build these passive income streams. McFall emphasizes the power of leveraging technology and automation to build scalable businesses, providing a blueprint to the financial freedom you seek. The path to financial freedom is paved with passive income streams. Brett McFall breaks down the process of creating passive income into digestible steps. One of the highlighted strategies in his book is investing in real estate. Buying a property and renting it out can provide a steady stream of income. Of course, it's not without its challenges, but with the right mindset and strategy, real estate can be a strong pillar in your passive income portfolio. Another lucrative avenue is starting a blog or YouTube channel. While it might take some time to grow your audience, the potential for advertising revenue and sponsored content can turn your passion for content creation into a profitable venture. You may also consider creating online courses. If you're an expert in a certain field, why not share your knowledge with the world? Platforms like Udemy or Coursera make it easy to create and sell courses on just about any topic. But here's the deal, you don't want to put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your income streams can help safeguard against unexpected downturns in one area. Maybe you start with a blog, then add an online course, and perhaps down the line you invest in real estate. The beauty of these strategies is that they leverage technology and automation to generate income even while you're catching some Z's. They require upfront work, yes, but once set up, they can provide a steady stream of income with minimal maintenance. Remember, creating passive income isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it requires dedication and strategic planning. You might be wondering, how can I possibly manage all these income streams? Well, the answer lies in the power of technology and automation. In the modern era, technology is no longer just a tool. It's a game changer. It can take over mundane tasks, manage multiple projects, and even make complex decisions with efficiency and precision. Let's think about software. There's a plethora of tools out there that can automate tasks, from scheduling to customer service. You can even use technology to outsource work. This means you can hire experts from around the globe to assist with your business without even leaving your home. Then there's the world of tech startups. By making strategic investments in these ventures, you can potentially reap substantial rewards without having to manage the day-to-day operations. All of these strategies are about working smarter, not harder. By leveraging technology and automation, you can work smarter, not harder. So what are the key takeaways from Brett McFall's book? Well, it's all about achieving financial freedom through creating diverse income streams. Building passive income is key, and it's not just about one strategy, but a combination of many. Utilizing technology and automation, we can create scalable businesses that keep growing even when we're not actively working. It's about working smarter, not harder. With these strategies, you too can start making money while you sleep. Click the link below to download your free copy now. Enjoy!